Hello friends, welcome back to school kind of. I'm just in our classroom. See everything, it's weird, it's empty. Mrs. Cambry's here cleaning stuff though. I am so sad I won't get to see you guys for a while, but I think that this is gonna be kind of interesting. It's gonna be a little bit challenging, but I think it could be fun too, because I've never done this. I think it's funny that you are doing it in your very first year of school, because I've never ever done that when being a teacher or being even when I was a kid, a student. So this is super interesting. I'm sad that I was sick all last week and that I miss seeing you, and now I don't get to see you anymore. That makes me sad. It's gonna be sad to be here without you guys. I miss you. It's kind of boring without you here, but that's okay. I'm gonna send you videos and hopefully we'll keep learning. So today what we're gonna talk about is triangles. And I know you guys know what triangles are. And we're also gonna just talk about some words that we need to make sure that we use in kindergarten. I know that you talked with the substitutes about the shapes a lot. So I know that you know a lot about the shapes, but I just wanna make sure that we're using all the same words and we're using the right words, because you'll be using those in kindergarten and then all the way up. So I just want to make sure that we know the right words, and then that's all we're going to do today for this, and then you will get to go on and do some other fun stuff that I planned. Let's see. Okay, so this is, yeah, I'm gonna do this different tomorrow, but it is what it is today. Okay, this is a triangle. Okay, so a triangle has, kind of hard to see, it's a little bit too far away, but it has that this is a vertex, it's pointing to the point, vertex, and then this is pointing to the edge and it says side. And those are the two words we need to use, vertex and side. So instead of saying the edge of the triangle, I want you to make sure you say side. That one's a little bit easier because that's a word we use a lot anyways. But vertex is kind of a bigger word. I want everybody to say vertex. Vertex. Okay, so that's what a vertex is. So this is one vertex. When there's more than one vertex, we call them vertices. So that's like another crazy word, say vertices. Okay, but if you say vertexes, that's okay too. So there are, how many sides on a triangle? 1, 2, 3. How many vertices on a triangle? 1, 2, 3. Okay, and that's how we know it's a triangle. It has 3 vertices and 3 sides, and they're straight, and it is flat. Okay, as long as it's flat, this is a square, but as long as it's flat, we know it's a triangle. Okay, if it pops out at us at all, it's not a triangle anymore, and we're going to talk more about those shapes. Okay, so we are going to practice drawing some triangles. So, okay, all I need to do is choose 3 dots. It doesn't matter where they are. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and those are going to be my vertices. And then I just need to use straight lines to make the sides. And mine aren't perfectly straight, but I'm doing my best. Okay, so there's a triangle. We know it's a triangle. We need to check. It has 1, 2, 3 vertices and 1, 2, 3 sides. And that's how we know it's a triangle. It doesn't matter what else it looks like. It doesn't matter if it looks really weird. As long as it has 3 vertices, and 3 sides, it's still a triangle. Okay, so I'm going to do kind of a weird one just for fun to show you. Okay, so 1, 2, 3. Okay, let's see if you can see that one a little better. That one's super weird, but it has how many vertices? 1, 2, 3, and how many sides? 1, 2, 3. So that is still a triangle, even though it looks pretty crazy. So that is how you draw a triangle. It's easier than drawing some of our other shapes because we don't have to count. I want to talk about drawing squares. I don't know how much your substitute talked about it, so I'm just going to do a quick little review of how we draw squares, and then I'm going to be done talking for today, and you get to do some of the other fun stuff. So for squares, we need to make sure that we are counting, because a square has 4 sides and 4 vertices, but all the sides have to be the same length. They have to be the same size. Okay, so I'm going to make a square that has 3 little segments. So one is 3 segments long. I bet 2, 3. Okay, so there's my first side of my square. I need to do my other side, and I'm still going to do how many segments? I'm going to do 3, because they all have to be the same. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Okay, so that's a square. All the sides are equal. They're the same length. And when we're just drawing, when we don't have paper like this, it's okay to just do your best to try and make sure that they're all the same length. Just kind of use your eyes and say, oh yeah, those look the same, or like, oh, those don't look the same. But when we have paper like this, it's nice to be able to count so we can make it really exact. But I don't want you to worry about it on other paper. Just do your very best, because I think you'll be able to tell. I'll be able to tell if you know that they're all the same size and you tried to draw them all the same size. Okay? I am not sure what is going to happen with school, but I hope you guys will do your very best from home, because I really am worried about you. I really want you to keep learning. So do your best and be nice to your moms and your dads and your grandmas and grandpas when they try and help you. And I think we'll be okay. And then when we come back, I will have so many fun things planned, because I'm going to be bored waiting for you here. So we're going to do lots of fun stuff when we get to come back. Yeah, just do your very best. Keep working. And if there's some stuff that's weird that you don't really understand, that is okay, because when we come back, we'll really fast talk about everything. And if there's anything that's just like, oh, I don't understand what that is, we'll work on it. Okay? So just do your best. Do what you can. I love you guys, and I will record another video tomorrow.